Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of August 1st through the 7th in my Recollections vertical planner. This week I'm using this kit by Lovely Planner called Summer Gnomes. If you saw my July kit plans, this showed up there, and then I didn't get to it in July because some things changed, but I'm going to use it for August, and I think it's super cute and super fun and great for that kind of end of summer vibes. I think it'll still be really good. So my plan, I needed to pull in some other things, as you might expect. I pulled in this shiny washi from Michaels. That's a really good color, but I'm just not sure I'm feeling the vibes. So I think what I'm going to do for my bottom washi is these two, also from Michaels. I think they'll fit in okay. So I'm going to use those two. I think that they go with the color vibes. The pink's a little brighter, but I think it'll fit. I also have this lime green washi from Amazon. That's going to go along the top. I'll need to trim it slightly, but it'll turn out fine. And then I also pulled this really skinny star washi, also from Amazon, just in case I need it. So I'm just going to stick that to the side. But my plan is to put these guys down and also the weekend banner. And then I will come back so that we can talk through the full boxes and all of the plans and that kind of stuff, since these will cover the other boxes. Anyway, so I'm going to do all of those things. I'm probably not whiting out the bottom lines because I think it's not going to bother me. So I'm just going to do this stuff quickly. I have my slice tool so that I can trim stuff along here. And then I will come back so we can do the interesting bits. Okay, here is where we are up to right now. In terms of the full boxes, I think I'm going to use this one as my quote box. I mean, it's super cute, so how can I not? If I can get it to let go. There's always scrippy scraps with Lovely Planner kits. But luckily I have my scissors handy, so it's fine. Okay, there we go. There's that. And then I feel like this is the one that makes the most sense to be the kind of like Thursday middle box, because it doesn't have a matching color. So these boxes are actually longer than the whole thing. So I just make it so that the bottom box is a little small. I think that's fine. So that leaves me these, and these as the kind of like pairs. As it were, and there's really no way to get out of having two blue boxes next to each other. That's just kind of how it works to make this happen. But I think what I'm gonna do is put this one on Friday. I have like little scrippy scraps everywhere. Turns out fine once everything is in, but kind of a pain in the butt to get there sometimes. This one is going to go on Wednesday. There we go. And then I'm going to divide these guys up. If I can pull this up. Well, I got part of this without using the scissors, but not the whole thing. It's completely my fault. I hand cut. All right, that one goes there. See how I made it so that the blues don't like match each other at least. And then I'm going to stick this one over here. There we go. And then that leaves these two as the last two. So I need to figure out what order makes the most sense to put them in. or the other order? I think I'm gonna put them in this order. This one and then this one over here. There we go. All right, that looks super cute. Okay, so for the sidebar situation, I'm gonna take a strip of this washi, I think, just so that I have it somewhere that's not just at the bottom. The green washi that's going along the top is also almost gone, I think, so I might try to use that as well. We shall see how that goes. Let's see, next up, I want to use 2 habit trackers. I'm gonna put the yellow one first, and then the turquoise one. Pull off some more scrippy scraps. There we go. Like so. And then I want to use this meal planning box as well. So I need to figure out how much extra space there is. I think that I can use another strip of this washi. Lost my slice tool for a second, but we're good. I have a mug sitting next to me that has all sorts of like random things in it. So, you know, sometimes things get lost. If this was straight, we would be doing a lot better. I'm gonna line it up along the bottom of the page and then along the right side. There we go. All right, that fits perfectly. Super cute and done. Okay, so for the daily plans, Monday, we start out with work, just like always. I'm gonna use these Creative Cavern Studio laptops. I feel like every time I have a really colorful kit, these laptops are like the perfect thing to use because when else am I gonna use them? I'm not gonna have exact color matches, unsurprisingly, but hopefully we can get there pretty well. I'm just gonna fill in like the whole first half while I'm at it. There's the first 2. I'm like running a little low on colors on this sheet. I do have another sheet of these if I run out of ones that I think will go. But I'm gonna use this sheet as much as possible first. All right, so there is that. I do need 2 more to kind of go with. I'm gonna pull the lighter pink, and then I feel like I'll pull this light yellow. I think that'll also go. All right, then I can just put these away and not have to worry about them. Also on Monday, I'm gonna have my plan with me going up. Maybe we'll use these. Okay, I'm gonna use, I think both of these. These come from Piper Paper Company. Last I knew, my code down below, I think it's Liz20. Will get you 20% off. I do get some shop credit, just as a heads up. No pressure, but if you'd like to do it, let me know. Feel free to use it. I'm just gonna pull the lighter one for Friday as well. Tuesday, I have no idea what's happening, and Wednesday, kind of the same. In terms of the second half of the week, I now stick stickers on my dominant hand because I am dumb. I'm gonna stick these guys down. And then on Friday, for my video, I think it's gonna be my July highlights. By the time this video is up, you'll know what it is. So that is also up. Let's see, I think that's all I know about right now. I am very up in the air about this weekend. We'll probably do farmer's market. Maybe, I don't know, we might go visit another farmer's market. See what's there. Not really sure, but I think this is where my pre-planning stands. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. please excuse whatever my cat's doing in the background. This turned out super cute. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Lovely Planner blog. I still have a decent amount of stuff left over. I'm gonna throw that in my leftover stack. I really need to deal with that again. But turned out super cute and colorful. This washi on the top is from Amazon. These two bottom ones are from Michaels. All these little laptops are from Creative Cavern Studio. This is Piper Paper Company. This is from a Michaels sticker book. This is Piper Paper Company, Piper Paper Company. This is from my leftovers. My best guess is maybe Britannia Nicole, based on the paper, the feel of it, but I'm not totally sure where that leftover comes from. Britannia Nicole has closed her shop, so not really sure there. And then this is another leftover that I'm not really sure where it came from, but I do have it, so I thought I would use it, and I thought it turned out really cute and went with this kit. So that's all I really have for this week. I think it turned out pretty fun, and I like using these last few summary kits before I switch over to fall in September, which I'm also very excited about. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Also, let me know if you have any exciting plans for the rest of summer. I would love to hear about those. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.